How to use Cash App. So if you just installed Cash App and you're a little bit confused, we're gonna go over all of the features of this application and how you can use it. So first, this is the main page of Cash App. So this is what you will see when you open up the application, and you will see two options, request and pay. If we try to click either of those, it will tell us that $1 is the minimum amount. So here, if you want to set a specific sum of money, so for example, if we want to do 50 bucks, you just select 50 right here and you can click on request. So after we have clicked on request, it will take us to this page. So here we can either give the person's name, cash tag, phone, email, and the reason why we are requesting money. So this is if we want to request money. If we want to send this amount, instead we will click on pay. And again, we have to type the cash tag, name, phone, or email. If you can't remember, or if you don't know either of those, you can click on find friends and it will ask you for access to all of your contacts. So if you have the person's phone number saved, you will be able to select it from there. So that is the main feature of Cash App. Now let's go through the options one by one. So at the bottom, you will see this little sort of bank icon. If we click on it, it will say money. Now here we can see the cash balance. We can add cash or cash out if we have received or sent money to our account. Now if we click on add cash, we can select an amount of money that we want to add. So for example, let's do $10, click on add 10, and then here it will ask you for your debit card number. So you gotta link a card right here if you want to add money to your Cash App. Now if you want to cash out, your current balance right here, you can see it, and you just click on cash out, and if you have more than $1, well, you can cash it out. Now those are the two features of Cash App. Now let's go over the other features. So savings. If we click right here, it will tell us that we can start saving money. We can transfer in a set amount of money every so often. So if we click on transfer in, we can select the sum of money again, and then it will ask us from which source we want to transfer it. So if we do the cash balance, we don't have enough money, but if we want to add money from our debit card to our savings account, then we can select this option right here. Okay, so that is another feature of Cash App. You can set a goal. If you click right here, click on continue. How much do you want to save? You can do 50 bucks. Click on continue. You can choose an emoji. So let's do this one, set emoji, and your goal is set for 50 bucks. Add money to start saving. So we have created a goal right here, and this will fill in the more money we add. So that is the savings option. As you can see, now we have set a goal for 50 bucks. Now Bitcoin, you can also use Cash App to buy, sell, transfer Bitcoin. So you will need to set up your wallet right here, so you can order and you can get also into Bitcoin if that's your thing. Personally, I'm not really into Bitcoin, so I'm just going to skip over this, but you can also buy and sell Bitcoin over here as well, along with stocks. So for stocks, you can search for the type of stock that you would like to invest in. So if we do Disney here, you will see the Disney stock. It will tell you how it's going, the share price. You can go through all of this information right here, which is very nicely gathered for us. And you can also invest into stocks through this application. And taxes, you can file your taxes for free. If you are a US citizen, which you should be, Cash App is only available to US citizens. So right here, you will see all of the information for your taxes, tax returns, and Cash App taxes support. You can also get in contact with Cash App support if you need help with filing your taxes. So we went over these 4 options right here. Now, the last 4 options right here that we have are deposit paper money. So you can deposit paper money through an ATM and it will go directly into your Cash App. But before that, you will need to verify your identity. So it will ask you for information like your address and social security number. Recurring deposits. So you can set an amount of money that you want added to your Cash App, either daily, weekly, or monthly. So it will charge your debit card and it will automatically transfer money to your Cash App if you use it to make payments with it. And direct deposit, get paid up to 2 days faster. So you can transfer money faster that way. Or if you want to transfer money from a bank, you can select this option and then you will, as you can see, transfers is up to 2 to 3 business days. Fees range from $0 to $15. Order your cash card to get bank transfer details. So for this, you will need a cash card, which we'll get to in a bit. So that was the first option. So the second option right here is the cash card. So like I said, or like we saw previously, you can get a card, which is like a debit card. It is a debit card actually. The cash card is a debit card. So if you click on get free cash card right here, you can customize the style. So it will tell you how much each of these cost. So you can go with classic, you can go with metal. And basically if you select one, it will give you an option to personalize the card and order the card. So right here you will you have to type in your address and they will send you your cash card after you have filled in the information. So that was the second tab. The second tab is for the cash card. So here we can see our balance and set up payments, and here we get the cash card. Now the payment, the middle option is this one where we can request and pay money. And now we are left to the search bar. So search, what can we search for here? You will see different types of discounts. So search people or businesses. Here you can either search for people's cash tags. So if we just search for Josh, you will see this person, Josh, and this is his cash tag. You can request money, pay. So here you can find your friends or acquaintances that you want to request money from or send money to. So here you can search for it. Or if you want to search for a business, we can do Subway, and you can see this fast food, save with cash card. And if we select it, you can see the offer 5% off each order. So you can either search for businesses or for people here in the Discover tab. And you can also go through the different types of offers right here if you scroll. Okay, so that's the fourth option. And the last one is the transaction history. So it will tell you, you will receive a list of all of your transactions here, whether you have sent those or whether you have received those transactions. So those are the 4 tabs. And the last thing that I want to touch upon is the personal tab right here, your profile. If you click on it, you can see your cash tag. So this is your cash tag. You can edit your profile. You can add a picture. This is your name. So for personal, if we click on it, you can add all of your personal information here. Favorites, this is where you send or where you save people's cash tags or accounts so you can send or request money from them. Linked banks, so this is really important. You gotta link a bank before, or link a debit card before you can do anything. So right here you can link a bank, you can link a debit card. If you don't have a debit card, you can click on no card and you will see a list of all of the banks, and you can choose your bank and link an account that way. So you just click on it and it will ask you to log in into Chase, for example. So that was the other option. And let me just go back and just go back once more. Okay, so that was for the linked banks. Now family, this is where family accounts pop up. You can either add a teen or be a teen yourself, so you can still get benefits from Cash App even if you are a teen by using a family account. Now limits, this is where you will be able to see all of your sending and receiving limits, as well as how much money you can hold in your Cash App balance. You can also increase those limits by verifying your identity. Support, if you have any issues, you can contact support right here. for the different, or get a help article. And security and privacy, if we click right here, it will tell us where we have accessed the application from. Notifications, you can select what types of notifications you want to receive, and the documents, here you can get statements and tax return documents. And last but not least, if you want to enter referral code, here you can get a bonus. If somebody has invited you to join Cash App, you can type in their code right here. And if you want to sign out of Cash App, then this is the button where you can find it. So that's it really. That's how you use Cash App fully. And this last button right here, you can scan a QR code if you want to send money to somebody or request money from somebody. You can click right here, and if this is what their code is going to look like, so you can scan this and you will be sent or given the option to directly send them money or request money from them. So that's it. That's the full Cash App for beginners tutorial. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.